I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand. Just because I'm bored. Okay. You're probably going to know a lot about me in these vlogs, if you wanna call it that. Is that when I am bored, I wanna challenge myself. I don't know why, I just like challenging myself. So today, I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand. My left hand, no, my left hand or my right hand. I don't know the preference. I can use both. So, yeah, probably gonna use my left hand. I am left-handed, so yeah, let's begin. I think. Um, I've been learning how to solve a Rubik's cube since I was a kid, and for some reason I just can't. My brain wouldn't allow it, so I just gave up. But when I was in senior high school, my classmate taught me how. And she was really good at explaining every little detail. So that's how I learned. If it wasn't because of her, I would be able to solve any Rubik's Cube. I mean, I solved a 4x4 because using the techniques I learned from a 3x3. So, yeah. At some point, I would like to show my talents here in the channel. That's it. I solved it. Bye.